Welcome back, Python lovers. Are you ready to level up your Python skills with the help of ChatGPT? In this lecture, we'll learn how to create and import our very own custom Python modules and use ChatGPT to generate code snippets and suggestions. It's time to unleash your coding superpowers with a little AI assistance. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to create your own Python modules, import them into your programs, and use ChatGPT to generate code snippets and solutions, giving you the power to reuse and share your code like a pro. Let's say you're working on a finance project, and you've written a bunch of functions to calculate interest rates, returns, and other financial metrics. Instead of rewriting these functions in every new project, you can create a custom module and import it whenever you need it. And with ChatGPT, you can quickly generate code snippets and get solutions for improvements. Now, let's get down to business and learn how to create and import our Python modules with the help of ChatGPT. First, create a new Python file, finance.py, and define your functions and classes inside it. DEF, calculate interest with principal rate and time, return principal, into rate into time. Add more functions and classes as needed. Now, let's try to solve the same problem using ChatGPT. We would want to understand how we could calculate interest rates and use that function in other Python applications. So let me type an appropriate question on ChatGPT prompt. How to generate interest rates for given principal rate and time values. Generate a Python code. Let me wait for ChatGPT to respond. Here you go. ChatGPT has given a detailed response on the formula of interest rates, as well as the Python code that is used to calculate the interest rates. You can copy this code and apply that code on your respective Python applications. And that's it. In this lecture, we learned how to create our own custom Python modules, import them into our programs, and use ChatGPT to generate code snippets and solutions. This powerful combination allows you to reuse and share your code across multiple projects while leveraging the AI assistants to make you a more efficient and effective programmer. Happy coding, and see you soon. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable and want to see more awesome content, remember to hit that like button and drop a comment below. Your likes and comments are our fuel, motivating us to keep creating free courses and helpful content. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's build this amazing community together.